Ever wondered how to maximize your iPhone's VoiceOver feature? Well, you're in luck because today we're delving into the world of VoiceOver, exploring its ins and outs, and sharing some handy tips and tricks that can transform your iPhone experience. VoiceOver is a gesture-based screen reader that lets your iPhone speak to you. It tells you everything happening on your screen, from battery level to who's calling to which app your finger is on right now. It's an incredibly powerful tool, designed to make iPhone accessible for everyone, especially those with visual impairments. To activate VoiceOver, navigate to Settings, then Accessibility, and finally tap on VoiceOver. Toggle the switch to turn it on. As soon as you enable it, your iPhone will begin providing audio feedback. Now let's dive into some general VoiceOver gestures. To select an item, simply tap it once. Your iPhone will read out the item's name. To activate the selected item, double-tap anywhere on the screen. If you want to scroll, use 3 fingers. A 3-finger swipe up or down will scroll a page at a time, while a 3-finger swipe left or right will move to the next or previous page. VoiceOver also supports a range of customizable commands. For instance, you can set a 2-finger double tap to answer or end a call, play or pause audio and video, or even take a photo in the camera app. To customize these commands, go to Settings, Accessibility, VoiceOver, then Commands. The rotor is another fantastic feature of VoiceOver. It's a virtual control that you can bring up by rotating 2 fingers on your screen, as if you were turning a dial. The rotor lets you access a host of useful functions like changing the speaking rate, navigating by headings or links, or even checking for misspelled words. There are many apps out there that work wonderfully with VoiceOver. For instance, Apple's own apps like Mail, Notes, and Maps are fully compatible with VoiceOver. In addition, third-party apps like Twitter, Facebook, and Spotify have also embraced VoiceOver support, making it easier than ever to stay connected and entertained. To summarize, VoiceOver is a feature that can fundamentally change how you interact with your iPhone. By understanding its basic gestures, customizing commands, and using the rotor, you can make your iPhone speak to you and guide you through your digital world. With the wealth of apps that are VoiceOver friendly, you're not just limited to the basics. The world is at your fingertips. So go ahead, explore, and make the most of your iPhone's VoiceOver feature.